Hi, I'm Christy Heaton, and I'm joining from Seattle, Washington. I'm excited to be sharing what I know and presenting an upcoming Data Umbrella webinar on geospatial data and maps with Python.
I'm Claire Sullivan, and I'm a data science advocate from Neo4j. I'm joining from high in the mountains of Breckenridge, Colorado, and I'm really excited to be presenting a session called Arrays, Linked Lists, and Graphs done in Python.
My name is Lauren Burke, and I'm joining from Columbus, Ohio. I'm so excited to be sharing what I know and presenting a Data Umbrella webinar on setting up a personal website using Jekyll and GitHub Pages on March 22nd.
I'm Julie Signal, and I'm joining from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm excited to be sharing what I know about data visualization in Python and presenting a Data Umbrella webinar, Intro to Holoviz.